What's going on, everybody? So I am vlog driving, as you can see. I'm actually running literally across the street to pick Abby up. She's at the post office right now, and I just want to show you how ridiculously close the post office is to our house. It's like the most oddly inconvenient thing you can think of, because we can get our packages really easily, and the post office is so close that it just would make sense for them to drop stuff at our door, but no, we still have to drive across the street because the post office is right there. So here we are to pick her up. Hopefully she's waiting out front for me. She's not, so hopefully, oh, there she is right there. As we get to her. Boom!
Dude, you gotta look at this.
Well, hello.
Hi. Okay, so I get this package, right? And I like tear it open so I can open it while I'm waiting for Justin. And so I open it. And it's in a bag! Inside the box!
Like, boxception.
Like, what? And then I can feel there's a box inside here! What? They put it in this, and the box is that size. Got the Chanukah candles. Are you excited?
Oh, I'm excited.
I think they'll actually fit too.
I hope so. Let's
good.
check them out. Check them out. They open or no? They open.
No, there's freaking tape on them. Are you kidding me?
This is like the most secure box of candles ever.
I really wish I could show that, but I don't want to put their license plate on there. But they have an In-N-Out license plate frame.
I don't know how many of you on the interwebs are familiar with In-N-Out. Everybody should be. It is hands down the most delicious burger you will ever eat, and they're only in most of California, northern Arizona, and the southern part of Nevada.
I have had In-N-Out once, and it was mind-blowing. It really was.
I used to have 2 within 15 minutes of my school, so I would In-N-Out for lunch, and oh, it was the business.
I'm so sorry to take you away from In-N-Out.
That's okay.
It was worth it though, right?
It was worth it. Yeah, it was worth it.
Excuse me, I have to go smack my boyfriend now. This must be what hippies used to clean their clothes, so they smell like patchouli all the time. What? Oh, uh-huh. Did you find?
Hippie song?
Yes. Find sponges.
No, I found Brillo pads.
Oh.
Hello and good night. We're getting ready to go to bed.
We're tired.
Yeah, we had a long day of hanging out, and we went and ran around and did some errands and stuff. We watched Empire Records, and it was phenomenal.
If you haven't seen it, you definitely should. It's old, but good.
Definitely check it out. It's a great movie. Have a good one.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Good night.
Bye. It's the 21st century. So we can record ourselves saying what we need at the grocery store and then play it back later.
Yeah, we're gonna get home and be like, oh, I forgot to put a list on there. I just remembered everything.
Probably.
Can I do this, right?
Yeah.
Oh, you're recording.
I am recording, yeah.
Nice.
That's gonna be our end cap.
That's my race car noise. That's what I do. We drive real fast.